Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed exercise 1.2. Now today we will start from the properties of multiplication of integers. In class 6th, we have learned about properties of multiplication of whole numbers. All students whole numbers क्या होते हैं जिसमें जीरो भी इंक्लूड होता है. All properties of multiplication of whole numbers also hold for integers. The properties of multiplication integers are as follows. Let's discuss the first property, that is the closure property. The product of two integers is always an integers. I repeat it again students. The product of two integers. First of all, product क्या होता है students? It means multiply. The product of two integers is always an integers. For example, you can see this is the product of two integers. It is also a integers. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28. But 4 के आगे किसका sign है students? That is the negative sign. 6 8s are 48. Again minus 48 because 6 के आगे किसका sign है? Negative का. 6 9s are 54. बट इसके आगे नेगेटिव का साइन क्यों नहीं आया? बिकॉज माइनस माइनस इट विल बी प्लस. आई रिपीट इट अगेन स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इंटीजर्स इज ऑलवेज एन इंटीजर. नाउ मूव टू द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी. in all above examples the result is an integer. स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा है दो प्रोडक्ट का था तो उसका रिजल्ट भी क्या है? टू प्रोडक्ट्स इज इंटीजर, देन आंसर इज आल्सो एन इंटीजर. इफ a and b are two integers then their product is also an integer. अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर a और b टू इंटीजर्स है तो उनका प्रोडक्ट भी क्या होगा? इट विल बी इंटीजर. a into b it will give c, then c is also an integer. This property is known as closure property of integer under multiplication. I repeat it again students. Product of two integer it will also an integer. Now move to the next property, that is the property to commutative property. The two integers can be multiplied in any order or the product of two integers remains the same if they interchange their place. Students, first property closure property में क्या था? If the product of two integer it also same, जो आंसर आएगा वो भी integer होगा. But in commutative property the product of two integer remains the same if they interchange their place. ये बोल रहा है कि अगर दो इंटीजर है, अगर मैं उनकी प्लेस को रिप्लेस कर दूं तो भी उनकी पोजीशन सेम रहेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6 4s are 24 and 4 into 6 is all to a 24. हमने क्या किया? इन दोनों की पोजीशंस को क्या कर दिया स्टूडेंट्स? हमने इंटरचेंज कर दिया. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल 7 6 are 42. अब अगर मैं 6 को पहले लिख दूं और 7 को बाद में लिख दूं, इट रिमेन्स दी सेम इंटीजर, that is minus 42. Next example, minus 6 into minus 8 it will be 48. Minus 8 into minus 6 again it will be 48. Minus minus it will be plus. Next, minus 4 into 5 it will be minus 20. 5 into minus 4 again it will be minus 20. One more example, 6 into 4. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लिखूं 4 into 6 both are the same. Now move to the next. From the above examples it is clear that in multiplication the order of two integers does not matter. अगर हम उनकी पोजीशंस को इंटरचेंज भी करते हैं तो वो कोई भी मैटर नहीं करेगा. The answer will be same. If a and b are two integers then a into b equals to b into a. अगर स्टूडेंट्स में 7 into 8 लिखती हूँ और वापस 8 into 7 लिखती हूँ, it will be सेम। हमने क्या किया है, सिर्फ पोजीशंस को इंटरचेंज किया है। दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द इंटीजर्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन। स्टूडेंट्स अभी हमने कितनी प्रॉपर्टीज रेड कर ली है, दैट इज दी 2 properties. Now move to the third one, that is associative property. The product of 3 or more integers remains the same. अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट है एक से ज्यादा होगा but still remains the same irrespective of the order in which the multiplication is carried out. For example, you can see 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 it will be minus 72. One more example, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 it will be 72 and 24 into 3 it will be minus 72. The product of any 3 or more integers remains the same of the order in which the multiplication is carried out. You can see in this table, from the above table, we observe that in each row the value of the first and fourth column is the same. You can see first column and fourth column, the value is the same. Thus, multiplication distribute over subtraction. If A, B and C are 3 integers, then A bracket B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. Now move to the next property, that is identity property of multiplication. The product of any integer and 1 is always the integer. Students, 1 क्या है, एक integer है. Let us consider some examples. This is the identity property of multiplication. Let's move towards the example. That is 6 into 1, it will be 6. Minus 6 into 1, it will be minus 6. तो ये क्या बोल रहा है, the product of any integer and 1 is always the integer itself. One more example, 3 into 1, it will be 3. Minus 3 into 1, it will be minus 3. One more example, minus 15 into 1 it will be minus 15 and 15 into 1 it will be 15. Students, इसके आगे नेगेटिव का साइन क्यों है, बिकॉज 15 के आगे नेगेटिव इंटीजर है. नाउ मूव टुवर्ड्स दी वन मोर एग्जांपल. 1 into 12 it will be 12. 1 into minus 12 it will be minus 12. From the above example we observe that the product of one and integer is the integer itself. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो भी क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, it is also an integer. If any integer then a into 1, 1 into a it will be a. अब 1 को किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे it will be the same digit. 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9. Next, thus 1 is known as the multiplicative identity of integers. Now move to the next identity, that is the property of 0. अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, identity property of multiplication. Now move to the next property, that is the property of 0. Product of 0 and any integer is 0. अब कोई भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 से, it will be a 0. We know that the whole numbers, students, whole numbers और natural numbers में क्या difference है, whole numbers included the 0 but natural numbers starts from the 1, it does not included the 0. We know that the whole numbers, that if we multiply any number with 0 we will get 0. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे it will get 0. Similarly, in the case of integers, if we multiply any integer with 0 we will get जीरो। अगर इंटीजर्स में भी सेम है स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप कोई भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जीरो से, इट विल बी जीरो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 0, it will be 2 zeros are 0. Minus 2 into 0, again it will be 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay students, 0 is neither negative nor positive. Understand students, 0 is neither negative nor positive. 6 zeros are 0. Minus 6 into 0, it will be a 0. From the above example, we see that any integer multiplied by 0, it will gives us 0. हम कोई भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 से, it will gives us 0. Thus, if a is an integer, then a into 0 equals to 0 into a, it will be a 0. Now move to the solved examples. First one, that is fill in the boxes. Students, minus 10 into 6 equals to minus 10 into 6. 75 into minus 5 equals to minus 5 into 75. तो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज हुई स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ नेक्स्ट, वेरीफाई एंड नेम द प्रॉपर्टी यूज. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क, you have to do yourself. Now move to the next example, that is take three integers, that is minus 9 plus 6 and minus 4. Two integers are negative and one integer is positive. We have to take a into b into c, that is minus 9 into plus 6 into minus 4. Two integers are negative and one integer is positive. 9 6 are 54. 54 into minus 4, minus minus it will be plus, that is 216. Now we have to prove, this is the LHS. Now we have to prove RHS. What is LHS? Left hand side and right hand side. Now move to the RHS. A into B into C. अभी क्या किया था स्टूडेंट्स हमने? A into B and ब्रैकेट के बाद that is C. Now A into B into C. Minus 9 into plus 6 minus 4. Minus 9 in 6 4s are 24. Minus 9 into minus 24, it will be 216. Minus minus, it will be plus. So LHS equals to RHS. Hence we can say both these solutions are same. LHS equals to RHS. Now move to the next example. That is the example number 4. Again, this is your homework. You have to do yourself. Now move to the next example. That is example number 5. Multiply using suitable properties. First one, 105 into minus 2914. Again we have to use identity. Students, 105, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 100 plus 5 into minus 2914. ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. हमने क्या किया, इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. 105 को हमने क्या कर दिया, 100 प्लस 5 इंटू माइनस 2914. जब हमने इसको सॉल्व किया, इट विल बी 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh, that is 3,05,970. In this example, we have used distributed property of multiplication. Now move to the next example. This is your homework. You have to do yourself. Now move to the next example, that is example number 6. Again simplify. You can do yourself again. This is your homework. Next example, that is the cost of a pen is ₹8 and the cost of the pencil is ₹2. Find the cost of 6 pens and the 4 pens. Students क्या करना है, एक पेन की कॉस्ट है ₹8 and the cost of one pencil is ₹2. We have to find the cost of 6 pens and 4 pens. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक पेन की कॉस्ट है 8 into 6 करेंगे, 8 6 48. एक पेंसिल की कॉस्ट है ₹2 और हमें कितनी परचेज करनी है, दैट इज दी 4 पेंसिल्स. 4 2 8, इट विल बी ₹8. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 48 plus 8, इट विल बी ₹56. तो उसने टोटल 56 रुपीज में 6 पेन्स एंड 4 पेंसिल्स को परचेज किया. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज द एग्जांपल नंबर 8. An apple weighs 200 gram and orange weighs 150 gram. जो एप्पल का वेट है दैट इज द 200 ग्राम and an orange weighs that is the 150 gram. What is the weight of 42 apples and 42 oranges? Again we have to find out the weight of 42 apples and 42 oranges. The weight of one apple that is 200 और 150 किसका वेग है, that is the oranges. This is the 200 gram the weighs the apples and 150 gram weighs the oranges. 200 plus 150 equals to 350 gram. Weight of 42 apples and 42 oranges. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 42 into 350 gram that is 14,700 gram. तो हमने इसमें कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज की स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज AB plus C equals to AB plus AC. Now move to the next, that is the pin points. हमने क्या क्या रेड किया. First we have discussed the properties of closure property. The product of two integers is an integer. अगर हम two products को multiply करेंगे two integer को, तो हमारा आंसर भी किस में आएगा, it will be an integer. Next, that is the commutative property. The two integers can be multiplied in any order. Next, that is the third property, that is the associative property. The product of any three or more integers remains the same irrespective of the order in which the multiplication is carried out. Next property हमने क्या रेड की थी, that is the distributive property of multiplication. For any three integers, the product of the first integer and the sum difference of the other two is equals to the sum of the product of the first and second and the product of the first and the third. Now move to the next. The product of any integer and 1 is always the integer itself. आप कोई भी नंबर को जब 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 6 1 जा 6, 7 1 जा 7. Next, the product of any integer and 0 is 0. अब कोई भी नंबर को अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, it will be a 0. Okay students, I hope you understand. That's all for today. Thank you class.